Okay, Black Hole Express. We got to get up early tomorrow, said his driver. And we've got to take the fish train. Hooray! Cried Black Hole Express. Well, listen up here. You're going to ride as fast as possible. And make sure you're an old engine. Thanks, sir, he said. Now let's roll, said his driver. And then they were ready for the usual run. They arrived at the harbor, and other ships and freight ships, they deliver the fish and containers are getting started. Meanwhile, when they arrived, and suddenly, Black Hole Express was ready for his usual run to deliver fish. Okay, I am ready to roll, he said. And now the fish train is ready to roll. He was departed. Don't be silly, said Black Hole Express to the vans and flatbeds. Truck trick, they said. When suddenly they departed. Meanwhile, they passed through, and then they were riding among the people. When suddenly a signal was set to danger. When suddenly his driver said, "Danger ahead," said his driver. But when they zoomed past, and then they just got ready. A green light, said the driver. I guess we will do it to pass through. And the icy rails just did him the fastest train. One day, the train was ready for the fish train to get started. And the driver and fireman were drinking cocoa in a caboose. The fish train is due to now. Okay, mates, back to our train. Already? But I haven't finished my cocoa yet, said the fireman. Well, you'll finish when we get to there, said the conductor. This is a good cocoa, said the driver. Let's roll. Oh my God. There's an engine. Come on, jump out, yelled the conductor. When suddenly a train was approaching and his driver applied the brakes, when suddenly he just jumped out. But it was too late. Oh, the indignity, said the Black Hole Express. And his tender was badly damaged. Oh Oh my god, you stupid Black Hole Express. You are a stupid express engine. What you have done to my cocoa? No, he said. Okay, so I'm going to bring the train back to the workshop and then they'll repair into a new one, said the railway controller. We're gonna pull him. Okay, so that means the snow and ice caused the accident. Oh, right. Well, I'm gonna send it to workshop. Days of repairs later. 4 days of repairs later. When suddenly, the next morning, he was now a new engine. And he was actually trying to pull the express every day as he could. Meanwhile, he arrived at the station and the passengers cheered. Three cheers for Black Hole Express. Hip hip! Hip hip! Well, I'm the greatest engine. And then he was. The end.